कल के दिन झाका से धनतेरस ट्रैक करते करते हम लोग की हालत बहुत खराब हो चुकी थी। लेकिन धनतेरस का हसीन नज़ारा देख के लगा जैसे सारा थकान मिट गया हो। We spent a lot of time walking on the beautiful meadows, clicking pictures and wondering how big actually the falls was. Although this was relaxing and soothing to the soul, I was a bit worried as I had started to feel a bit feverish. I did not want to risk it and wait till the next day, so I took a dose of paracetamol and slept off at one of the scenic campsites of all. Today's episode is the penultimate episode of this series. Hey guys, my name is Kiran and you are watching Little Detours. Good morning people, today is day 5 and we are leaving from our campsite at 11,600 feet and hiking towards our next campsite, which is the Upper Waterfalls. हमारे ट्रैक लीड ने बताया है कि आज का ट्रेल थोड़ा छोटा होने वाला है, बट एट द सेम टाइम द क्लाइंब इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्टीप। As we neared the waterfalls, the lush green meadows slowly turned back to a sight of hard rocks and boulders yet again. The joy of walking on the greenest trails lasted only for a few minutes, and now it was time to climb some heights. The trail was often rocky, muddy and sometimes slippery and required great attention when crossing the important parts. The scale of the vast mountains and the waterfalls consumed one and all. We weren't even done wondering how tiny we were. The trail presented itself with one of the most scenic and the most dangerous experience of all. This snow bridge. हमारे सामने एक स्नो ब्रिज था जिसे हमें पार करना था. The snow bridge is made of just snow particles holding together due to low temperatures of the flowing river within. It looked really fragile at first. Crossing this had to be one of the best experiences of this trek. Finally, after a lot of climbing, lot of panting, we made it to the upper waterfalls. वो कहते हैं ना, कि the best view comes after the toughest climb? बिल्कुल सही कहते हैं. It indeed was one of the best viewpoint one could ask for. The waterfall followed the trail downwards and passed beside our previous day's campsite. I was so happy looking at the trail we covered today, but also a bit nervous about my fever, which hadn't subsided yet, but also it hadn't grown worse either. To add to our woes, the weather grew worse soon and it started to rain hailstorms. The clouds of uncertainty occupied my feeble mind in no time.